Boom, watching you get some of the artists singing a dancehall right now, representing life for DND News Media. You don't know, are the baddest vlogger right now.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to D&D News Media. I'm want to big up all my loyal supporters them. We soon reach 21k now. Tell a friend to tell a friend, get your sister, get your uncle. Tell everybody to subscribe to the channel. The channel looking good. Before I go any further, let me drop a word of prayer. Oh Heavenly Father, we come to you today to give you thanks, to give you praise. Forgive us of our many sins, dear Lord. Wash and cleanse us. Give us a clean mind and a pure heart. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Now, viewers and subscribers, we come to talk about Elephant Man and Boom Dynamite. Because I know so no must I wait for me to drop that video here. Well, today is the day that the Lord had made. You understand? So, enough people now going to rejoice. But, enough people are going to vex. Boom Dynamite is an excellent artist from back then until now. Enough of them artists here we talk about daily and thing can't compare to them artists there. Them artists they know how to hold key. Them artists they know how to DJ. Them artists they know how to sit down and rhythm and make rhythm come like nothing at all. You understand? A them man yeah, deal with rhythm and make rhythm look like a boy. Not like them nowadays artists who rhythm and fling them all about, then can't even manage. Now, as you already know, Boom Dynamite and Elephant Man are family. You have scared them crew where they hear from where was a back in the days crew. So even Harry Toddler was a part of that crew and a couple more artists. Elephant Man, Harry Toddler, Boom Dynamite, I think two other artists. Yeah. So at the end of the day, even till today, Harry Toddler and Elephant Man don't deal, them no link. May I teach you something you never know. Did you guys know that Elephant Man basically took Harry Toddler style? Did you know that? Huh? You did know that? That's something I teach you today. Cause me have to bring you right back before I bring you right now to which part we there. So you see Elephant Man now is a youth where a whole heap of people in music industry. A whole heap of people in style. You understand? Even Bugle. Bad artists and name Bugle usually write song for Elephant Man. And if you don't believe a lie me I tell, you can go ask anybody, ask any elder, ask anybody who in a music long time. You see me? Bugle usually write song till in week for Elephant Man. You understand? And when him Elephant Man go up on tour at $2,000 alone, Elephant Man a game. You hear me say? $2,000 US. I remember, when you are an artist, a matter of fact, when you're an international artist, when you go up on tour, and a dibby money you're making for one show, and anytime you go up on show with Elephant Man, $1,000 and them money there. You understand? That's why Biogo end up tap right song for people, Biogo just did cut him off and tap right song for him and end up just boss himself. You understand? So, enough time when you hear people and people in the music industry in a deal, and not because of Obeah alone, a whole heap of things. Them hold down them one another, they rob them one another, they sabotage them one another, then do all type of things to them one another. Remember when Elephant Man hot, Remember say a ding dong usually dance to Elephant Man, Ding dong and him crew, And what? At the end of the day, you know what happened? Did you know what happened? Ding dong have a cut for around Elephant Man because he not get nothing. He ma dance and barely can buy food to eat. But the problem I have, me not say all our artists them have good behavior, The problem I have, you go around a man and a man treat you like that. When you get your bus and you depend on the T or P or Q of your career, change it now. Turn around and change it. Why? Them are gonna make because an artist do them that, them are gonna do it back to another young artist. That is why you have me come in. And a business, whether them want like what me attack say or not, them have to just hold them corner. Because it's not like them get used. It's not like them get tricked. It's not like say things happen to them and then come and I do good. Look my things happen to me and I see me come out here and I do nobody nothing. Me just hold it I'm just easy. You see me? Because at the end of the day, God have to do for him work. You see me? Don't take up unnecessary work by your hand. Sometimes you hear some people are chat and go on. I think I look at people chat on social media and I don't load them. Because I know God I got to deal with them. I don't have time for do them nothing or whatever. You understand? But enough of them dancehall artists here, enough of them musicians here. Now care them come nice and say them are going to change the game and them are going to do this and them are going to do that. You just want to give them one hit song and the devil, the living devil, you stand upside her. One hit song you want to give them. Just give them 5 minutes worth of fame. Just make everybody a talk about them. Social media, them a get interview. A matter of fact, just get them a visa and you see them true color. Anyways, back to what me that say. So, Elephant Man do a lot of wrong things. Both in him life and both in him career. Some I pick them in the mind them. And this is a reality story. Elephant Man have picked the all about and some of them not even know him or ever meet him. Them man they have picked the all about. Serious thing. Now, Elephant Man is no saint. There are a couple people where Elephant Man use the Obeah and lick off. Cause remember now, you feel like say Obeah lick now, and back then Obeah usually lick hard. You understand? And then you have the people them from back then they not believe in certain things. And like now when you them say, oh, them are gonna get an Obeah man, oh, them are gonna get a spiritual man, oh, them are gonna get a mother lady. But then a man just know saying career a go down. He can't go up on tour. Nobody now want listen to his music. And him not have no clue say the man who am a power with a Obeah him. Elephant Man is one of that person. Elephant Man flings on Obeah and boom down the mic. Right throughout him career. That's why I'm telling you all the while. Money not have nothing to do with it. Power not have nothing to do with it. Success not have nothing to do with it. Your mind is a powerful thing. You see, corruption start from inner the mind. It start from your very own thought. Because I care how much money a man have. If him decide in a female head say, him no want you move past him, him no want you elevate and left him, trust me, all type of things are get involved. And if them say, oh, Ben not work, them are going to send somebody to try come and do something. So that is why you see the nowadays artists, them smart. Me not gonna say them not smart, them smart. But here what the problem I have with them. Do not sign any deal with the devil to get a career out there. That's what me keep on a say and me keep on a emphasize on that. Isn't but you have to clean up yourself, you have to get a protection ring, you have to do what you have to do. All young artists, whether you like it or not, you have to do that. If you are going to music business and under no guzo, you better leave it alone. Find one church, go preach. Or find one church, go learn for preach. Or go up on the choir, go sing. It's simple as that. There can't be no other way. You have a gospel artist right now, a young youth, who I admire. He remind me of Papa San and enough other big gospel artists. And that they chop lyrics bar pan bar pan bar. And may I tell you this right now, the youth is a gospel singer, people. And nobody now to look upon him. Him win almost something. Every competition he go upon him win. But now I hear about him now get no tour. And I know say, if him that do dancehall and him never did that do gospel, him would have done all over viral. You see how the thing tricky? So sometimes you hear a man say, why don't you sing gospel? Why don't you do this? You have people out there who been a do it and it not work for them. You understand? Been a do it. That is why me glad some understand the business and know say, here what me now. She got reign in a dancehall, be one of the biggest thing in a dancehall, and then convert and go in her church and just done with music. Isn't me? She not really done with music, but she got do gospel. So she got done with dancehall. But for kick off your career and say, alright, then you got start in a gospel. May I tell her, brother, the next 100 years the day back of your line can't bust. God have to really love you and decide, say, here we go on. You know, say, that youth I need for get out on the road door. I do my work. That youth I need for carry on my work. If God not step down himself, brother, hungry kill you. And you there till all pastor for give you rice, pastor for give you money for buy food put in the house. Brother, me see them things happen every day, you know, so when you hear me come out and talk, are things where we experience, are things where we see. You understand? Things where we know happen. I want to tell you, one time we there at church, you know, and anybody who know about Adventists knows up on Saturday, you get a little peas, you get a rice, you get some tin something, and them look away there. Them thing they have to just wall you in. So that's you know, say, alright, then you can cook your little food and eat that. Nobody no want to live like that forever. So anything where you hear me come out and talk about are things where we go through, are things where we know for a fact, brother. So we can come and enlighten the people them. Enough youth right now, and that them have to live off of. Them know say, yeah, they not have the money, nothing to go on for them, but they know say every Sunday or every Saturday they know say pastor give them one bag with food and one bag with peas and ray. You see if you not show out and go out there and say, here what, now my time now, me I go take a floor for myself. It not got brother, me I tell you the truth. You go just dead there. And then if I have a church you go just there in the church sit down so. You understand? And then when Saturday come or Sunday come, you get one little pass with rice, one little pass with peas, and feel like say all is well. You see me? And then when church over, the whole thing you go see, una there in them Benz, or there in them Audi, or una there in them Honda, and then in them Toyota, them nice crisp car, then just a drive past you. Oh, so and so brother D&D, how you doing? Everything alright? Oh, your wife? Oh, your family? And then go about them business tomorrow morning for them bill up here, you know. Tomorrow morning for them daughter college fee up here, you know. Everything for them are doing, you know. While you there and sit down, so with your hand stay so, you know. And you tell yourself, say, God I provide. God I provide, yes. But you have to get up and go out there. And that is why I rate Boom Dynamite, because Boom Dynamite never stop the music. Boom Dynamite always a try. But that youth named Elephant Man, a lot of people love him across the world. A lot of people respect him. You understand? Because you have to give a man him credit. Him sang them good. And him sang them that around the whole place. You understand? So we have to give him credit to that. But him don't have a good mindset and him have a dirty heart. You understand? Enough artists where him come see, enough artists where him raised with, enough artists where him did having a career with him at the time. Me tell you say, Harry Toddler yet the man like poison. If you want to lie me and tell, just go around Harry Toddler and call Elephant Man name. And you will know if a joke thing. Harry Toddler not like a bone at the man, because Harry Toddler knows say Elephant Man fling whole heap of Obeah for him. You understand? So you can't rate him for that. And he will never rate him. Why you think or why you feel so many things is going on with Elephant Man surrounding his career right now and the death of Boom Dynamite? You know why? Because we are to kill him inside, we are to burn him, can't even come out and show no sympathy, no nothing at all. That is why Bounty Killer race him up. Remember, you know, Bounty Killer bust Elephant Man, you know. And for you see Elephant Man come out and I talk about rated at the guilt, you know, at the guilt. Because Killer diss him up. Bounty Killer come out and talk. How can you have your family member were dead? And so many people hurt by it. Vlogger talk about it. People in the industry talk about it. People where the out of country talk about it. And you not even make one post on social media. You not even send your condolence. And me and people are going to talk this thing I talk about, oh, people mourn different way. Anybody at all where you see move like that, you know say you them have some grudge against the person. And all of the truth are going to come out now. You know why? Because Boom Dynamite pass off. You understand? R.I.P. Boom Dynamite. Now for the favorite artists, all things them good for though. You lead the youth them in the wrong direction and also work over upon people. But tell you, you know, a smart bugle make bugle have a career today. Cause me I tell you, that youth in here elephant man, I tell you, him love Obeah than our food, love peace. Let me say it again. Him love Obeah more than our soup, love peas. They ever like our food, love peas. Like our soup, love peas. So now if you understand where the people them are talk about, yeah? So sometimes when I see an artist and you see them look nice and them rare, how much people them a hold down, and how much people them a hold back. But nobody not come in and say anything. And Bum they might know say Elephant Man that hold back in career. Bum they might know everything, but as I say, you have some people that rather dead with the truth, you know. But me I say one thing. You can feel like you're dead with the truth, but the truth will come out. Because no father will never understand the situation. Or not understand now. Yes, you said nobody not really rate Elephant Man like that. You ever see nobody really give Elephant Man the props? Or not. The only thing them say boy Elephant Man usually run the place with the whole like dancing song. Me tell you, you know, him hold down Ding Dong for all heap of years, you know. But I expected Ding Dong did to come back and do the right thing. Don't come and do the same thing when nobody do. And that enough of artists them problem. And come and want to repeat the cycle. And it not gonna work, brother. God we put you down one side. It not gonna work. Elephant Man, one thing me I tell you need to confess, brother, and ask God for forgiveness. And change from your wicked ways. Cause it not look good, brother. You own a family, you Obeah. It not really bad, you Obeah other toddler, you know. I mean, I don't want nobody get it twisted, you know. But you go as far as Obeah your own family. You understand? And the Obeah where you Obeah him, it end up lead for him getting sick. And not stop get sick. And not stop get sick. And not stop get sick. Till now, him finally dead. So, now that Bum Dynamite dead, one thing we can say to you, Elephant Man, whether the people them want to believe or not, but remember, for the rest of your life right now, you not going to live in peace. You are got torment. And I ask you that. I tell you that. You are got torment for the rest of your days. All type of judgment are going to reach you, Elephant Man. You understand? Yeah. So, all the big house, all the car we you want to have, all of the platinum them where you want to get, none of them something they can save you. Yeah. Only God alone can save you. So if I were you, would I find the nearest pastor right now? Would I find the nearest pastor and nearest deacon right now? Me know why you go to no mother woman. Because you not go to no good mother woman and you not go to no good spiritual man. You see me? And let me tell you this too. You have somebody where they say, oh, Elephant Man, then Obeah Elephant Man. Then no Obeah me know. It's not no Obeah nobody Obeah Elephant Man. I own karma reach him. Let me make it clear. Nobody Obeah Elephant Man. The reason why Elephant Man sang them now it, the reason why Elephant Man now get no forward, everything what Elephant Man do, it come like a bad do. You know why? Because the judgment when put on people, it a turn back on him. And then nobody a Obeah him. I'm own a sin. I ride him. I'm own a thing when do to people, it a turn back on him. So make nobody trick you no. Make no read a person trick you and talk about say yo, then Obeah Elephant Man. Nobody Obeah him. I am own a judgment a fall upon him. He own a sword when he use and stab people and make people career stagnant and hold long people and it a reach him. And him not see nothing yet. Only not see nothing yet neither. So you could have run go mother, run go father, run go brother, anywhere at all you run go Elephant Man. Them all you bought you. Them can't help you. Them all bought you and take a little money. You shall never get another hit song in Jamaica. And I not say that because I have something against you. And I not bad mind you. But I just a fact. The angel them with the writers right now say you will never get another hit song. Why? Whole heap of youth you hold down. Whole heap of people you hold down. And the people them we hold down have some good intention in life. Like Bum Dynamite, that youth have a good spirit, that youth is a true artist, and that youth then a fab dabbling in certain things. You understand? As they always say, them always say good people die early. But I believe you have a whole heap of good people who die We die in them 80s, 90s. Good people live long too. But sometimes you have some corrupt people on earth. Sometimes you have some bad mind people on earth. Them cut your days short. And them can't cut your days short unless God give them the permission. You understand? So if God say you go through too much and you can't hardly bear it, you go just allow them for do what they want. Because I know say between you and them, you are going to a better place. While them, the place where them are going to, it not go nice. And some people too, it better than the dead than alive. You have enough people right now, the wickedness what they do in the earth, and do to people, pitney and do to people, some of them then wish them dead. Some of them want dead and can't dead. Viewers and subscribers, remember to like, comment and share.
A summer.
Big up on yourself, you hear that?
Not change entertainment. I love it when you take your time. Suck off my breast, make me feel real nice. Baby, and my boss a bad wine. Bad girl in love. Bad man like you, me only fuck dogs. Pass my fire with your gun, then you step in on my lungs. Regular, yeah.